check this out, you guys. We got a bit of a package and a latour. It's been so many longs since we got a latour. I recognized this before. I think they sent me a letter before, and I just quit, eh? I just quit. But check out this friggin' trailer hitch they sent me. It's like a pintle hitch. It's got like a rubber dink on there, but you can put that on there, and then it's like a pintle hitch. And then there's the balls. It's got the 3 different size balls onto it. And then it's got, here, I'll get Felon to open this because it's hilarious. This got the ball holder antler, but it's got a secret surprise in there for Felon. Hey, what'd you find, buddy?
Look at that.
Oh, what is it? What are they? Are they the Marbs?
I don't know.
Are they Marb lights? Oh, I think that's a Marb light right there, that white one.
Yeah, it definitely is, yeah.
Oh, Felon's got
basic. I don't know what the basic
Oh, it's got some basics and some Marb lights, boys.
Good stuff, though.
Nice. But yeah, buddy sent a letter, and he says, hey, Pug, big fan of your movies. I've been following since whole race stunt days. Wanted to send you a care package for my family business. My grandfather invented the convertible in 1985, and we've been making them in our small family-run facility ever since. We are proud of our product and would love to continue to produce them. Recently, my cousins and I have started distributing company and trying to sell them in product in our family business. That's onlyballsandhitches.com. Oh, I apologize that I started making a movie and the furnace needs to turn on. Fucking just diabolical. My sincere apologies. And he says, I hope you can find use for this heavy-duty hitch. It's cushioned, so it should help smooth over the regular trips over the tracks. And they fixed those tracks, actually, and we don't really do that run very often anymore. Once we got a lot of cars, it just scraps down right now, so once it picks back up, we'll be definitely hammered down to shit Thomas. But threw in some loose cigarettes for the felons and hobos. Say hi to Tippy, and smoke cigarettes. Eh? Nice. And scores, hey, it's fancy pant gifts for all in Inwood. Nice. You won't go run one of those into yourself right now.
I'm definitely gonna go run that Marlboro into me right now.
Yeah, I would. F***ing rights. I like my setup here right in the walkway too. That's where I like to open my packages. So I wouldn't, is that the neighbor playing flute or is that wind?
Oh,
holy shit, you guys. It is minus 26 out today. And yeah, it's gonna be more inside activities, but I think we're gonna
go play
tummy sticks.
Something too much.
Oh, play traptor. I thought we were gonna play tummy sticks there quick. Sometimes he tricks me. Tricks me.
I start saying words.
Yeah, start saying words, and all I can think of is playing tummy sticks, and here we are. Are you even like being able to light it?
Got it.
Nice.
Took me like 20 tries.
Let's get some hauls off it. Oh, look at him go, boys. Fucking right, eh? Just smoking the fuck out of a dirty old Marb light. Nice. Convertible. Thank you very much, good sir. I do appreciate that. And Felon already run his darts down him, and it was a mining day too, so you know he was appreciatory valve on that accord. But man, I'm over winter already, boys. Oh no, are those the ones that make you piss out of your ass?
Oh, they all kind of do.
Oh, for fuck's sakes.
It was the coffee. I've been drinking more coffee.
Oh,
so
you're just producing a lot of natural lube.
Oh, apparently.
Nice. Oh, I know. Let's buy a roller with a reverse steering. That's great. That's great. Nice. She's empty, boys. She might just work. Fire's right up, boys. Just gotta plug the son of a bitch in for 3 fucking days. so many fantastic works. Holy shit. I can hardly even tell the freaking Chinook blew in. Hardly, barely.
I mean, his car's here, so probably.
Shut that off here and then not be able to start it again. Okay. Holy shit, we're such good neighbors, you guys. Where's Too Muchy? Or Hims? We're snapping around the back way. Oh, frozen water down. Well, it's Mount Mariola, you guys. It's Mount Mariola. Oh no! Is that a hurt bird, or is that one of those faking birds that's got a nest? Looks like a, I don't know, he's hippity hopping and... What is that? Too Muchy? Too Muchy's got some sort of a snared, oh, it's a piece of a chicken hanging on a string by the fence there. Nice. That's classy shit right there. Hey little birdie, are you okay? Are you okay, little birdie? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's all dicked. I'm gonna see if I can get him. Birdie. Oh. Oh, that's why we came today, buddy. That's why we came today. You okay? What are we gonna do with him?
Oh.
No. He must live in Inwood now. Look, Hims.
Birdie.
I don't know if I don't think he's doing okay. I don't think he's supposed to flip and flop like that.
Almost looks like a baby hawk.
I don't know.
Kind just based on like the head, the shape of the head.
I don't think son of a bitchin' too much is on the plan right now. Holy cow, look at all the stuff those guys got back there. Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Holy cow.
Bringing fuel in by the looks of it.
Fuel trucks there every day. Oh, Lord.
You just walk them back.
Yeah, we'll just walk back and then come back.
Okay. Looked injured.
There him goes. Yes.
Okay. The bone structure is so small, and it's complicated because there's dried blood. So the blood is almost formed a bit of a cast on him, so we can't really see if there's any flexibility there in the radius and the ulna, but there's definitely some damage there.
Yeah.
So we're going to let those drugs click in, and then we'll clean them up and see what's really going on inside.
Okay.
And then we can make a decision. They're such a beautiful bird.
It is. I had never really seen one ever really up close or in real life.
They're the ones on the highway. There'll be like a cloud of them, you know, and they'll all fly off together. And you're usually picking seeds that have blown in the wind out on the road. And but they have such a pretty song too.
Yeah, he was chirping in the house for a minute.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, thank you so much for bringing him in.
If he makes it and needs a ride back to Inwood, I could come and pick him up.
Oh, wonderful.
We could free him.
I'll make a note of that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then he can be back in his homeland.
Yeah. Well, we actually do that. Doesn't matter what they are. We'll take them back to where they came from, because oftentimes they have, in the springtime especially, they'll have a mate, or with a bird like this, they're flock birds, and they don't hang around here all summer. They're gone in the early spring.
Okay.
So
yeah. So hopefully he'll find his family again.
Yeah.
If he makes it.
Yep.
All right. So should I just wait for your call if he makes it, or do I call and check in? I don't want to bother you.
Give us a call tomorrow.
Okay.
We may not be able to get back to you right away.
Yep. Okay.
But he would, if this is something that's repairable, he'll probably be with us for 3 or 4 days anyway. So.
Okay.
Well, that altered the plans a little bit. We got him to the rescue place. Look at this. Did you ever saw Victor Newman? He's a little sketchy. Victor Newman. Why do you have to stay out here? Why do you have to stay out here, buddy? Oh. Probably because Dorothy's not a big fan. Eh? Oh, what happened? Dorothy doesn't care though. I go right over to her and give her pats. She's used to it here. We've had her over a year now. But yeah, the bird, I bet you probably what happened was Tumuchi tried to grab him by his foot in the ear. So that's what happens. Well, boys, I got terrible news. Friggin' the little snow bunting there, he didn't make it. His wing was too dickered, bones too small, whatever. But I guess they had to put him down, so at least he didn't die by himself in Tumuchi's backyard, freezing to death. They made him warm and comfortable anyway, so that's good, I guess. Terrible situation, but we tried. I hate that. I wish he could have been fixed. Oh, but anyways, boys, we'll talk to you tomorrow.